Here are the 10 tips on how to increase income and get rich. Number 1. Inquire about a raise or promotion. If you find satisfaction in your work and have a strong connection with your employer, it might be worth considering the possibility of requesting a raise or promotion to potentially increase your earnings. Present a persuasive case for why you should be entitled to either option. It may be beneficial for your manager to demonstrate how your work contributes to revenue in order to support a case for a raise or promotion. Understand your performance metrics and how they align with your business objectives. For instance, you could demonstrate your success by highlighting the specific amount of new business you generated. It's important to hold on to any positive feedback you receive, whether it's in the form of an email compliment or a thank you note for a job well done. Organize your emails by creating a dedicated folder in your inbox for positive feedback. Similarly, keep physical notes in a designated folder to ensure you can easily keep track of all the praise you've received. Explore comparable positions within your industry and geographical area, as well as those that align with your level of expertise, using salary reporting websites. Consider exploring job listings for similar positions to gain insight into salary ranges. If you discover any discrepancies, you can discuss them with your manager, taking into account the pay transparency laws in certain states. Number 2. Ensure that you are maximizing your financial opportunities. Make sure to maximize your employer benefits, especially any matching contributions. It is common for employers to provide a matching contribution to retirement accounts such as 401(k)s and 403(b)s, in addition to health savings accounts, HSAs, and flexible spending accounts, FSAs. Although not guaranteed, this benefit can help boost your savings. It is important to be aware of vesting schedules, which may require you to work for a certain number of years before you can fully access your employer's match. To find out more details, it is recommended to review your benefits package or consult with your HR department. Are you not making a contribution to these accounts because you're organizing your student loans? With the Secure Act 2.0, your employer now has the option to contribute to a company-sponsored 401(k) by matching your student loan payments. This can provide you with additional financial support. If you want to know more financial tips, then subscribe to our channel and also press the like button. Number 3. You might want to consider adjusting your tax withholding. If you have consistently received tax refunds, it typically indicates that you have paid more in taxes than necessary in the previous year. By adjusting your tax withholding, you have the potential to increase your paychecks. This involves reducing the amount that your employer deducts from each payday to cover federal, state, and local income tax. However, it is important to remember that you are still responsible for fulfilling your obligations to the government. Not withholding enough could result in potential underpayment penalties, along with accruing interest. It would be wise to seek guidance from a tax professional to ensure the accuracy of your withholding calculations. Number 4. Consider working overtime or picking up extra shifts. If you're eligible for working overtime, you could consider working additional hours, such as covering for coworkers who are on vacation. If you're addressed by federal OT laws opens in a fresh window, you may be capable of charging time and a half for employment beyond 40 hours per week. Check state labor offices for laws opens after watching this video. Number 5. Begin freelancing. You could potentially leverage your skills to take on additional work alongside your current job. For instance, a software engineer may engage in programming tasks outside of regular working hours. It is important to inform your current employer about the gig to prevent any conflicts of interest or potential violation of non-compete clauses. Number 6. Leverage your expertise. If you participate in a competition, deliver a speech, or oversee an event, you might receive compensation. Consider exploring opportunities at local universities or community colleges to teach as an adjunct professor in your field. Another option could be to explore the possibility of serving on a company board and getting compensated for your expertise. It's important to spread the word about your interest so that you can receive potential offers through your network. Once again, it's important to inform your manager about your extracurricular activities. Number 7. It may be worth considering a company or career change. If you're not interested in changing jobs, consider exploring similar positions at other companies in your area that provide improved compensation and benefits, such as increased paid time off. Using job offers as a negotiating tactic at your current employer can be a strategic move. If you have the resources and opportunity to pursue additional certifications, degrees, or licenses, it may be worth considering a career change that offers higher financial rewards. Number 8. Consider taking on an additional job. If you're looking for a more gradual approach, consider exploring temporary work options, such as a side hustle, to increase your income. To better guide you, it's important to have a clear understanding of your objectives. Consider exploring job opportunities that offer flexible schedules, such as working as a driver for a rideshare company or doing delivery services. Explore options that enable you to convert initial efforts into a consistent source of revenue in the future. If you have a knack for photography, for instance, you might want to think about uploading your photos to a stock photo agency website. This way, you can earn fees whenever someone purchases the usage rights to your photos. There are various apps available that can help you connect with potential renters for your spare room, car, or even swimming pool. If you want a reliable source of income on a weekly basis, you might want to consider taking up a part-time job, provided it fits into your schedule. Working nights and weekends can potentially be more profitable than traditional business hours. In addition, explore opportunities to monetize your skills and potentially transition them into a full-time venture in the future. As a corporate accountant, one could potentially assist individuals with their personal tax returns during tax season and eventually establish a substantial client base, allowing for a departure from the traditional 9 to 5 work schedule. Number 9. Discover potential sources of income that you may be eligible for. If you have a credit card with rewards, it is possible to receive cash back. If it has been some time since you last redeemed rewards, the amount you have earned might be sufficient to cover your upcoming expenses. Additionally, there could be instances where you have not received paychecks, neglected bonds or accounts, or outstanding security deposits. It's important to consider checking if you have any unclaimed funds waiting to be discovered. Number 10. Maximize the potential of your finances. For those who are new to managing their finances and haven't built up emergency savings, it's important to make it a priority to set aside $1,000 or enough to cover 1 month's worth of expenses. This will provide a safety net in case unexpected expenses like car repairs or medical bills arise. Then gradually work towards saving enough to cover 3 to 6 months of necessary costs. Consider keeping this money separate from your verifying account and general short-term savings. One option could be to place it in a high-yield savings account or a brokerage account like a cash management account. These accounts have the potential to generate returns through compounding and attractive interest rates. Additionally, consider allocating additional funds towards potential growth opportunities. If you want the flexibility to access your funds without incurring penalties or fees, opening a brokerage account is worth considering. Now, subscribe to our channel to know more financial tips and tricks to get rich. Watch the video appearing on the left side to know the habits that are keeping you poor. This video is really very helpful and you will be benefited from it, so watch it.